paradise found, discover the beauty of Jade Mountain, St. Lucia. Jade Mountain St. Lucia is a luxurious and exclusive resort located in the eastern Caribbean island of St. Lucia. It is known for its stunning architecture, breathtaking views, and luxurious amenities. Jade Mountain is situated in a secluded location on a lush hillside, overlooking the Caribbean Sea and the famous Pitons, which are UNESCO World Heritage twin mountain peaks rising dramatically from the sea. The resort is nestled amidst tropical vegetation, providing a sense of privacy and tranquility. One of the most distinctive features of Jade Mountain is its innovative and award-winning design. The resort is built in harmony with its natural surroundings, with an open concept, eco-friendly design that seamlessly blends the indoor and outdoor spaces. Each of the resort's 24 suites, or sanctuaries, is a unique work of art, featuring individual bridges, infinity pools, and a lack of a fourth wall, providing uninterrupted views of the sea and the Pitons. Jade Mountain offers an array of world-class amenities for its guests. The resort has a private beach, an infinity pool, a spa, a fitness center, and several fine dining restaurants that offer farm-to-table cuisine with a focus on local ingredients. The resort also offers a range of activities, including snorkeling, scuba diving, hiking, yoga, and cultural experiences that allow guests to immerse themselves in the local St. Lucian culture. Jade Mountain St. Lucia is a world-class luxury resort that offers a unique and unforgettable experience for its guests, with its stunning architecture, breathtaking views, luxurious amenities, and commitment to sustainability. It is a haven for romance, relaxation, and rejuvenation in a stunning Caribbean setting. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more new daily content like it in the future.